evening, Florencia. We just wanted to send you this presentation ahead of time so you will have an idea of the risk analysis we will be doing in our presentation on Tuesday. Because we thought it's going to take much time, we decided to send you ahead of time. And I'm just going to go through quickly of the risk assessment tool that we came up with, and we will be looking at 4 countries in South America, and this is just as an example. We looked at Colombia, so this is the tool that we use to assess the country and market risk. So what we did essentially is we divided the risks into macro factors and micro factors. In the macro factors, we did look at risks and potential for the market we'll be going to in Colombia. And essentially the risks are given negative scores, potential market potentials factors are given positive scores. And what we did was the score was given from 0 to 10, and after all the scores were given, we gave them weights depending on how important that factor is to our case. For example, the intensivity of the competition in Colombia in the hotel industry we said was -5 out of 10. Out of -10 being the highest, the most risky. And we did say that that's a 40% of weight out of all the macro risks, because we believe that it's a little bit more important than, let's say, legal and regulatory risk for our case. And we did exactly the same thing with the potential and micro factors. After they were given the weight, we give them a ranking. So this being the score times the weight gave us the figure, and at the end we ended up, for example, our macro market risks ended up being -4.3. The same was, we did exact same thing with market potential and internal micro factors, and we gave them weight factors as well. Therefore we ended up with a number being 3.14. So what does that number tell us? Because we were giving scores between 0 and 10, 0 to -10 being our risks, 0 to +10 being our potential, we ended up at 314, which shows us that out of the whole range, we are at 66% market potential, leaving us with 34% market risk. Now, we want you to keep in mind that this is only the soft market risks we looked at and try to give them a range, but we will also be considering financial risk in our presentation on Tuesday as well. This is just to give you an idea of how we came up with our scoring, and we will be using this tool to rank the countries in South America depending on how risky they are. I have also attached the Excel spreadsheet to this email, and you can look at all the calculations we have put together. Thanks a lot for your time, and we're looking forward to have you with us on Tuesday.